the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make the Marty Moose paper cup puppet, okay? Yeah! Don't forget your cup, okay? Great! Well, let's get coloring, okay? There's a lot of coloring, so I think I'll speed it up just a little bit. Yeah! Color his antlers. There's one. And color his other antler. Great! And next, color his feet, his eyelids, his nostrils, and his other foot. His ears. And color around his eyes, okay? And his nose. And his arms. Eyes. And the maple leaf. And also color around the maple leaf too, okay? It'll look better that way. Well, grab your scissors and let's cut. Wow! Put all those pieces aside and grab your paper cup. Make one cut like this, and another cut like this, and fold it to make a mouth, okay? Now grab your red marker and color inside to make a red mouth, okay? Great! Now grab your scissors and we're going to cut off the top, okay? Just the top one. Leave the bottom lip on. Great! And grab your marker and let's color the whole thing, okay? There's quite a lot of coloring. Good luck, okay? Great! Well, now it's time to glue him together. Grab your glue and let's glue on his nose. Either way is fine. I think I'll put mine like this. Yeah. There's his nose. And next, let's put on his eyes, okay? There's his eyes. Starting to look like Marty now. And let's put on his ears and antlers, okay? There's one. And there's two. Next, let's put on his arms. There's one. And two. And the last piece is his maple leaf. Yeah. Great! Hey, I know a song about Marty Moose. Do you know the Marty Moose theme song? Let's sing together, okay? I'm from Canada and I am a moose. My name is Marty. Hello. I like to sing and I like to dance and I like to party. Marty Moose. Hey, Marty Moose. Hey, Marty Moose. Let's try that again. I'm from Canada and I am a moose. My name is Marty. Hello. I like to sing and I like to dance and I like to party. Marty Moose. Hey, Marty Moose. Hey, Marty Moose. Marty Moose. Hey, Marty Moose. Hey, Marty Moose. That's me. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!